Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the factorization of polynomial expression if we have the difference of two square. We have already covered three types in previous classes. You can follow that our playlist for knowing about how we can solve in that term. So today we will learn about difference of a square. Like if you have a square, b square, so how we can solve it, or we can make these terms. Like if we have like this term is a plus b and a minus b. So this is the factorization of this term. Now we will follow here same class 9 syntax book of class 9 and exercise 4.1 question number 5 and 6, right? But you can follow any other books because the method is same, question may be different. So first we have the factorization in question number 4. So here we will solve few questions, question number 1 and I think question number 4, because question 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 are similar to question number 1 and say 4. In question number 5, we have part 1. Part 1 is 4a square minus 9b square, right? So first we will decide what is a and what is b is here. A is here is 2a and the b is here is 3b. So now it's very easy to divide like a square minus b square, which is equal to a 2a plus 3b and 2a minus 3b. So this is the answer of this question. Now we can solve question number 4 because question number 2 and 3 are similar one. We can solve this question number 3 as well. Like this is 100x square z square minus 4 by 4, right? By the power 4. So first we will decide what is a. A is here is 10x z and the b is here is y square. So we will simplify like this way. A square minus b square. So we have a is 10xz plus y square and the b is second term is 10xz minus y square, right? So this is the answer of this question. Now we will solve question number 4. Question number 4 is 1 upon 100 x4 minus 100 y4. So first we will decide what is a. A is 1 upon 10 x square and b is 10 y square. So you can write like by difference of two squares. So we will have 1 upon 10 x square plus 10 y square, 1 upon 10 x square minus 10 y square. So this is the answer of this question, right? Now we have question number 6. These are similar but a little bit complex. So now we will solve question number 6 here. Question number 6 is part 1. Part 1 is 2x plus z whole square minus 2x minus z whole square. So here we have a is 2x plus z and the b is 2x minus z. We will simplify like similar method as we already have covered, like 2x plus z first plus 2x minus z, right? And then multiply because we are making curly bracket because we have already have square bracket in it. So we have 2x plus z and minus sign. Then after that 2x minus z here. So first, okay, this is the answer of this. This can be simplified further, but because we are doing factorization method here, so we have the answer, this answer because it's the factorization. Factorization means that we have two terms which are multiplying each other. So this is the answer of this question. Question number 2, we can solve question number 2 is similar one is question number 1. So we are skipping this question. Now we will solve question number 3 because it's different from question number 1, 2, and 4. And 1, 2, and 4 are similar ones, so you can solve same method like question number part 1. Now we have question number part 3. We will simplify. Part 3 is 169 x4 minus 3t plus 4 whole square. So here we have a is 13 x square and the b is 3t plus 4, right? So now we will simplify. This question is 13 x square plus 3t plus 4 is here. So we will make curly bracket here, and after that we have 13 x square minus 3t plus 4 is here. So this is the factorization of this question. This is the Okay, that's it from today class. We will learn in next class another type. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and forward others so that they can learn also. And we will meet in next class. Bye bye.